Hey everybody, this is Chris from Crypto Wolf Pop. So if you follow me, you know we're halfway through with reviewing RainShip and Rain Raiders. This video is going to be how to buy it, and I always try to say if I like a project or not at the end of the video and save that to not influence your decision in giving it facts, but sometimes I'm not necessarily that great at it yet. I am trying to work on that, and I mean, this video, you're definitely going to know if I like it or not. But other than that, let's take a look on how to buy RainShip and Rain Raiders if that's something that you choose to do. Hey, everybody. So I hope you like the videos so far on RainShip. In this one, I will go over how to purchase a Genesis Anchor Pass and a Rain Raider, the 1.0. So first we're going to go to the website. I always like, if I don't have it saved, just go into the Twitter and go into the website through that, because then you know it is actual legit as long as it's their real Twitter account. So this is the arrangeship.io, which is our website. And before we do that, you can see in my account, I have 65.18. So we need a 50 DAI, which is $50. And because it's pegged to one. So that's $50 and Maddox will be 35.221. So I'll end up rounding this up to 36, which will give me 51.12. So let me go make that change now. I'm just gonna make the change through the MetaMask itself. Just make sure that I need to get the DAI imported, because when I did before, it wasn't actually on the on this wallet. It was a different wallet. So this is how I'm gonna import it. Go to the page on CoinGecko, contract information right here. Make sure you pick it for Matic. Right here, Polygon. Polygon is Matic. Add the MetaMask. So wait, this, add the token. So it looks like I do have 24 DAI already. Yes, I did make a purchase. Oh yeah, I did make a purchase on here before. Actually, I had leftover DAI. How about that? I think that is fun. But usually I need 50, so we'll go to swap. It's always nice to add a token and see you got some. So pick from Matic. I'm gonna select DAI. And let's see, I have 24, I think it was already. All right, yeah, 24. Now we need 50. So I'm not gonna do all the 0.000 equal that out. So I'm just gonna add $26 to DAI. And $26 Polygon is going to be 36 Matic. So if we do 36 Matic for DAI, and review the swap. And so this will give me 50.711. I'm gonna swap it. Saw there was a little bit of gas there. The amount of gas isn't too bad. We'll go over that after everything's over. And now, because that's on a ledger, I have to review it on my Ledger Nano. So I'm doing that now. Accept and send. And it shows transaction complete. So I'm going to close that. And I'm just going to wait for it to reflect there. May take a minute or two. I overdid it. I did the math wrong, didn't I? Whatever. Don't know. I'll just switch that back over later. I definitely did that math wrong, but that's not what this video is about anyway. So now I have 74 DAI. And Let's see. I am going to the, so from here, let's go back to here. From the actual website, you can go to AnchorPass and Mint Now. We'll bring up this and let's do one. Connect the wallet. Well, first you have to connect your wallet. It's going to be on the ledger. And one die, approve now. Sorry, one NFT 50 die, approve now. So this, because if you never did it on a wallet before, this is going to give permission to access it. It's very, very little. I mean, it's negative a penny, so not a big deal. Confirm it. And doing the transaction again on my ledger. If you don't have a ledger, it's very, very good for security. It'd be a little annoying because you have to go through every transaction with the device, but it's nice. Okay. So I approved it. Notice the approve now is now mint. And this is where the die is needed. I have 74. I'm going to switch that back. I definitely overdid it. I'm not sure what I did, but whatever. I'm going to mint now. It's coming up. We go estimated gas. So the gas to mint this is not giving me a price exactly, but we can find that later. I know it's not that much. Click OK. And wait for it to come on my ledger, review transaction. Accept and send. Now, give this a little bit. And there we go. It's in there already. How about that? So to see, let's take a look at the gas real quick. And it cost me 1 cent in gas. So now to see it, we're going to go to OpenSea. OpenSea.io. It's the place where you can buy, sell, collect NFTs. Go to the wallet. That's I'm in the right wallet. Okay, so from here I'm going to go up to my profile. And you can see it says ×2 here. It's because I already had one. But so that's why it's 2. So, and looks like people are trying to get 500 bucks for it and die. So you want to do that when you can get it for 50, right? Okay. Now from here, we're going to go back to the RainShip website. I'm going to go down to Rain Raiders and go to Mint Now. And connect the wallet. Use a MetaMask. Now we're connected. And oh, the button. These are some of the ones that's recently mint. The button's right here for mint. And then confirm it. Transactions underpriced. So trying to figure out why that's doing that. I'm gonna try maybe changing the gas, bring it up higher. See if it doesn't fail that way, because it might be something with the gas. And confirm it. View the transaction. As it's minting. No errors so far, so the increase of gas may help. Yep, the increase of gas helped. Go back to OpenSea. I'm gonna refresh the page. Make sure it did say it came through on my wallet. It's there. Go to my profile. And this may take a few minutes to show up. Yep, there it is, number 4. And we got a new pirate. So, out of curiosity, I'm wondering if this can be done without an anchor pass, or if you could do them with more. So I'm gonna just give it a shot. I mean, it's only 10. So we're gonna try it. And if it works, maybe I'll give one away. So let's go back here, mint again. Gonna increase the gas. Matic is a little iffy when it comes to stuff like this. Gas is normally low, but I had more fail Matic than anything, or get delayed. Burn. Minted. So it looks like it does. So it looks like you can actually mint these without needing the NFT, or without needing the Genesis pass. Let's refresh it and see the one we got now. Refresh. There we go. There's the new one. So these are each going to give a mermaid and a RainRaider 2.0. And the anchor passes are what you're going to be able to stake uh, for DAI. So that's how you purchase and view them. I do want to mention real quick the what we're looking at cost-wise before we go. So I'm going to bring up the calculator. I'm just going to subtract from what we had initially and from the initial trade to now. So not gonna let me do that. So because I have to do this a long way. There was 0.01. In Matic. Then it was, we'll just do 0.01 for the approval too. And this was DAI, which was $50, 50.05 plus, so right now, just getting the DAI and getting the transfer was 2.05 plus 0.01 plus 0.01. So we're $50.07 right now. And then if we look at the minting, transaction was 14.24 plus, it actually didn't cost any, it was sub a cent, so plus 0.01. And it looks like I got rid of the other ones, but it was 50.07. So $64.32 for a Genesis Anchor Pass and a RainRaider. So there's your pricing, and that's how you go about buying them. And like you saw before, I had the errors. Once I increase the gas, there's no more error. So I hope everyone has a good day. Hey, so I hope you enjoyed that video on how to purchase RainRaiders and RainShip. I hope that it helps you if that's something that you decide you want to do. Please make sure to subscribe to my videos because you saw there are some RainShip and RainRaider stuff in the community wallet. And if you're subscribed and be part of my Discord, when I open that, you'll be eligible to get some of those rewards. The video is up there. So if you have any questions, feel free to shoot in the comments, and hope you have a good rest of your day.